Hey girly pops, welcome back to my channel. This is a short video about how to survive easier from the cat in Steel.Kitty. Please like and sub if you want to. If you will, I'll be so happy. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, make sure the cat boss isn't close to appearing. If it is, then rejoin the server like I did. But if you got in the same server, then leave, and go to the server section and choose a server which isn't the same. If the cat boss's cats are still there, then make sure that the cats disappear or do not move. If the timer of boss's cat's disappearing is almost off, then steal the kitty. Now go to the direction I'm going. Make sure the cat is this far away. Now go up that plank. Now jump over there, and don't jump off the wall to the ground, since the cat can easily jump off the wall. Stay in the wall and stay AFK, because the cat can't jump to your side. You can still run to the other side of the wall easily too. Now my highest score is 23 minutes, because I stayed there. This was the tutorial. Tism for watching my girly pops. Bye, girly pops.